Alright, we have defined what exactly machine learning. Now, let's dive into the soul of machine learning, the characteristics of machine learning system that make it like magic. I consider these 6 points like the DNA of every powerful machine learning. Let's start from the first one, what we call it learning from data. Obviously, maybe, but let's go deeper. Machine learning system don't memorize, they learn. They extract pattern, correlation, signal from noisy, messy, real-world data. The more relevant data they see, the better they get. Not just in accuracy, but in adaptability. Second, it's gonna be generalization. Now this is everything. And machine learning model must not just perform well on the data it saw during training. It needs to generalize to data it's never seen before. Think of it like this. You teach a kid to recognize cat with 10 photo. Show them an 11th photo. They should still say that's a cat, even if it's upside down or wearing sunglasses. That's call it generalization. And trust me, building models that generalize is 90% of the battle in machine learning model. Then you're gonna move to adaptability. Here where machine learning crush traditional software. If the world change, like a pandemic or new customer trend or even a market crash, you don't rewrite your model. You just retrain it with new data. That's exactly what we call it, adaptability. Machine learning system can keep learning, keep adjusting and stay relevant without rewriting a single rule. Fourth, gonna be scalable logic. Machine learning doesn't blink when the dataset grow from 1,000 records up to 10 million records. In fact, it get better. That's why big tech win with data. Whoever has most data wins the learning race. More data, better pattern recognition equal stronger prediction. Let's move to the number 5, automation of decision making. Why build a machine learning model in the first place? To automate decision. At scale in real time, machine learning model don't just spit out insight. They make decision fast and often better than human. Like spam filter, fraud alert, medical diagnose. These aren't dashboard. These are automated decision engine powered by machine learning. Let's move to the last one. Last but not least, continuous improvement. Machine learning system improve over time as they are exposed to more feedback and new data. It's like a cycle. Train, deploy, get result, retrain, and repeat. That's why Google search gets smarter every year. It is not about human update, it's about the data loop.